Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Techno World. Today we create a Gmail account without using a phone number. For this, first we open the Gmail tab in our phone and click on Add another account. After that, choose the Google service and wait. After that, click on Create Account and choose for self. Put your first and last name in it. In basic information, put your date of birth and gender and then click on Next tab. In Next tab we have to put the email ID that we want to create. Then click on Next. Now we have to put the strong password for our ID. Then click on Next. In Next tab it will ask for add a number. We simply tap on Skip. In Next, check the privacy terms and click on I agree. Now Google services will check our ID and fetch it to our phone. We will wait till the process is completing. For checking our new ID, we click on the icon. Here we can see that our newly created ID is there. If you enjoy, then like, share and subscribe to our channel.